Bboxx. It's a company that's dedicated towards ending energy poverty at scale across the developing world. Over 1 billion people around the world have no access to electricity whatsoever, and over 3 billion people around the world have no access to clean cooking solution. And this is one of the big goals that we as mankind have to solve. It's the SDG 7, universal energy access for all, and this is what Bboxx as a company is focused on trying to deliver.
We had a system in place that was no longer fit for purpose for the complexity of the business that Bboxx was willing to do. We looked at a lot of different systems. We went through a proper RFP in terms of looking at the process and decided that SAP Business ByDesign had the features that we needed.
They had the experience in supply chain and to implement kind of similar customers like us. We implemented phase 1 in Asia just in 4 months, but we did properly. We haven't really had delays.
SAP ByDesign is already always able to present numbers. Our financial team can be more efficient. They spend less hours, better quality of output. That's a big difference. SAP ByDesign should be able to support our rapid growth.
We implemented SAP Business ByDesign on supply chain and finance models. The system suggests everything for you based on demand. It's a massive improvement. We now have proper reportings.
We have more transparency, we have more process, more rigor. So we now feel that we're a grown-up organization working with a grown-up finance system with the right kind of support. We have this technology platform that we call Pulse. We're able to integrate SAP with our own Pulse to provide a seamless integration and a seamless front end to our customers and to our users. Grow by SAP program is a program that SAP has exclusively for fast growth companies as a plan for the future. Is something that we all see as quite exciting.
For us to be able to serve the next 10 million customers, we need to be able to get to the next level, and we think SAP can help us unlock that scale.